All right, so what are we making?
We're making red, white, and blue slaw. It's the most patriotic coleslaw ever. So we got some red cabbage. That's the red part. So red cabbage and a red Fresno chili. Okay.
Okay.
White, which is our Alabama white sauce. Grilled lobster roll episode. You can see how we make this. And then blue. Oh,
That chunk.
blue cheese.
Look at the chunks in there.
Yeah. Uh-oh. I got it. I just got it.
Like, hold on, that heat from that pepper.
Ooh.
Funky?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, so the best thing to do is start with a really dull knife.
You're not allowed to come back over.
Okay. Then slop it into
Go
a
ahead.
bowl.
Slop.
Cool.
Cool. You need to change your contacts after this?
Mm-mm. It's not so bad.
No.
Are we putting onion in this?
Yeah.
Okay. So part
Your
of the
recipe, right?
red onion, red cabbage, red chili. We should do a whole video on how to cut an onion.
So what are we gonna do?
We got the red.
Yep.
Now we got the white.
Okay.
Yum. Slaw dressing.
Mmm. Oh
Don't know
yeah.
how much, so we're gonna just stop there, and we're gonna go blue,
Okay.
all in chunks. Not all of them, but good bit. Super toss.
Man, that's gonna be so good.
It is. That's it, right there.
That's it. Look at it. It looks
Red,
amazing.
white, and blue slaw.
Dang.
I can't wait. Oh, forgot to put the salt in there. Where's your salt?
There we go.
Salt toss.
Okay.
Is the Alabama barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
That's a
So
great idea.
white, Alabama white sauce, red onion, red cabbage, red chili,
great.
and then blue cheese.
Did you taste it?
Nope, I'm about to.
Perfect. Is that good?
It's really good.
Nice.
Great tartness.
Oh gosh.
And that chili.
Tartness. Oh yeah.
That's a treat, isn't it?
That's awesome.
That's really good.
All right, red, white, and blue slaw.
So patriotic.